What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Blooket YouTube video, and today is a very special day for you guys. I am going to be doing a very big Blizzard pack opening in Blooket. This is such an amazing video, and I've been so excited and hyped to make this, so here you go for you guys. I'm doing this for you guys and for me, because I'm just going to have fun today and open a lot of tokens and stuff. But today, I'll be spending all these 14,000 tokens on this account, on the Blizzard pack, all dumping it all to try to get looks like the Peppermint Bark and the Chili Chameleon, which are two very cool looking new chromas, which I've made a YouTube short about it. Go watch it. But yeah, and if we don't get a chroma on this account, I'm gonna switch accounts. I'm gonna spend the other account for this video too, just so I could try to be guaranteed to at least get some kind of chroma. So hope you guys enjoy. Sit back and relax, and let's get right into this. So, as you can see, I calculated how much percent of the blocks I would get, and this is what I got. 30% for the Peppermint Bark, 21% for the Chili Chameleon. And then I simulated, and it said Peppermint Bark. So, without further ado, let's get right into this. Let's go. We got our first snowman of the day. Let's go. Some luck. Oh, let's go! We got our first Santa. Santa Claus is coming to town. Hey, I like that. Let's go. Santa, our second one of the day. We haven't been getting that good luck, but hopefully we get this. Let's go. Santa again. He delivered 4 times. Now let's try to get one of the Chromas. Please, Santa. Give me that wish. So yeah, hopefully he does. I'm not begging for it, Santa. I'm just trying to tell you that, like, if you do, then you're gonna be the best. You're gonna be my favorite person ever. You already are my favorite. Oh my gosh! What is our luck? We're getting Santa Clauses like every second now. Let's go, guys. This is what happened with the turkeys, and then last second I got the goldfinch. Hey, man. Hopefully that happens to me. Hopefully I get that luck, you know. Guys, we did not get the Chroma, but we got 4 Santas and a lot of epics, so let's just resell now. Okay, I'm going to show you what I got. So, I got 84 snow globes, 81 holiday gifts, 86 hot chocolates, 74 autumn wreaths, 78 stockings, 34 gingerbread men, 38 gingerbread houses, 26 reindeers, 37 Santa sleighs, and 26 snowmen, and 6 Santa Clauses? Well, basically 5 because I had one before. So I lucked out. So now I'm going to resell for you guys. Okay, guys, we're back and we resold, and we almost have a lot of tokens. 7,500, not bad. So let's keep pack opening. Let's go! Yes! Yes, Santa! Santa delivered! Santa delivered! You have to subscribe for this! This is not fake! This is not fake! There is no way! Oh my gosh. I just got the rarest Chroma. I just got the rarest one. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Yes. Yes. Oh. I am so pumped up. I am so happy. Yes, bro. Yes. 0.02. Oh my. There's no way. I didn't even get the peppermint bark. I got the rarest Chroma. That's never happened to me. And it was my first Chroma ever on the Blizzard pack, guys. This is my first Chroma. It only took 10 minutes to get this Chroma. Yes, I was praying to Santa. I was praying to everybody that I was going to get something. And what do I know? It delivers. Oh, let's go, guys. You got to subscribe for that. Make sure right now to subscribe and comment down below W pack, W open, or W Chroma, anything you want, because this just made my dream come true. Now I'm going to love Santa and I'm going to love Christmas forever, like I always have. Let's go. I love this pack. I've always loved the Blizzard pack. Guys, I don't even know what to do. I still have 7,000 tokens or something like that. I might just save up before Christmas time and I might just try to get the peppermint bark. I don't know what to do. This is insane. I have to take a screenshot of this. What the heck? Yo. I took a screenshot of it for you guys. There you go. You could take a screenshot or an edit of this, whatever you want to do. But that is insane. That's a vibe. That is a vibe. Let's go. What is my luck? I'm just going to keep this on the screen for you guys to just admire this for a moment. Because this is so special to me. I can't believe this. I actually was just waiting for it too. And I got the rarest one. I'm not going to be too spoiled or anything. I'm just saying, I just can't believe this. My eyes right now. This is my favorite looking Chroma I've ever seen in the game. This is my favorite Chroma I've ever seen in the game. This is absolutely insane. I might just, I'm going to save till I get the peppermint bark. I might spend it all in this video. I'm not sure what to do. But I might just make a live stream for you guys and try on my first live stream and try to get on my alt account the peppermint bark. Or this account I'll save. I'll keep saving. This is amazing. Let's go. Well, guys, I'm not sure what to do now. I still have a lot of tokens left. Yeah. Unreal. So now my account, wow. My account has 17 Chromas. Right here. Unbelievable. Chili Chameleon. What a sight. Amazing. This just made my dream come true. And if you guys don't believe me, I could literally show you right now. That's the rarest Blook in this pack right now. I just pulled the rarest Blook in this pack. And it's on camera, it's on footage. This is why I love to do these pack openings for you guys, because you guys blow them up and I get so many subscribers and views from it. You guys are awesome. I thank you guys for watching this far, and if you did, then I really love you guys. You guys are the best fan base on YouTube for a Blooktuber. You guys are so supportive and awesome. I'm just really happy. You guys, hopefully you guys make this video get a lot of views, because this is insane. I saved up for less than a month and I got the rarest Blook. That's the rarest pack rate you can get in any pack right now in Blooket. I just can't believe it. Sorry guys, I'm talking about it a lot. I'm just shocked. I just don't know what to do with my tokens now. I think I'm gonna save for you guys, and then I'm gonna do another pack opening, either a live stream soon for my first live stream on BLOOKETLIFE, or if you guys blow this video up. How about this? I'll do a challenge. If you guys blow this video up to over 5,000 views and get me a lot of subscribers, all you guys subscribe off this video, I'm going to do an insane live stream, and I'm going to be saving on my second account. I'm going to be dumping all my tokens on the Blizzard pack to try to get the peppermint bark. And I'm going to be saving on this account and doing a Christmas, like a couple days before Christmas, I'm going to be opening a lot of packs off this pack right here. And it's going to be a lot of tokens. So, hope you guys like this video. If you did, hit that subscribe button like I said. I just can't believe it. This was a W video. I didn't even spend all my tokens yet, and I've pulled the Chroma. Amazing. Absolutely insane. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit the subscribe button. I don't know why I just said that twice. And I'll see you guys in the next video. This is a dream come true.